Ever felt overwhelmed juggling multiple timers in a busy kitchen? The FMP 1517500 digital 4-channel commercial kitchen countdown timer promises to simplify your workflow and keep every dish on point. Whether you're baking, frying, or holding food, this versatile timer tracks up to 4 countdowns simultaneously, making it easier to manage your kitchen's pace without missing a beat. I've seen firsthand how this timer transforms hectic cooking environments. It's not just about keeping time, it's about precision and reliability. With a large 3/4 LCD display and color-coded lights, you can instantly identify each timer's status, so you don't waste a second guessing. The sturdy design stands up to real kitchen challenges, greasy hands, accidental drops, and spills, yet it wipes clean easily and stays protected thanks to its water-resistant keypad. Plus, the included 9-volt battery lasts through busy shifts, and the clever reverse insert feature means you can pause power without removing the battery entirely. What really sets this timer apart is its practical features tailored for fast-paced kitchens. The 10-hour countdown adjusts by hour, minute, and second, while distinct audible alerts for each timer keep your staff on track without confusion. The volume control lets you choose between a subtle beep or a louder alarm, so you can keep the noise level just right. It's ideal for quick-service restaurants, cafeterias, or concession stands where timing is everything. If you're managing a busy kitchen and need a reliable, easy-to-use timer that keeps pace with your demands, the FMP 1517500 is worth a look. It's built tough, designed for clarity, and engineered to keep your team coordinated. Try it when you're ready to bring more precision and control to your cooking process.